Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. And for today's video, ang pag-aaralan naman natin ay under ng General Mathematics ng grade 11, which is all about the operations on functions, particularly addition and subtraction. So this topic was tackled when you were in grade 8. So primarily, nag-review na lang tayo or magiging review na lang ito nung lesson ninyo when you were in grade 8. Okay, so meron tayong 4 fundamental operations ng functions, but ang pag-uusapan natin sa particular video na ito ay all about addition and subtraction. So that means paano ba tayo mag-add at mag-subtract ng functions. Okay. Let us say for example, sa example number 1, meron daw tayong f of x which is equal to 3x minus 5. And then g of x which is equal to 4x plus 6. Hanapin daw natin yung f plus g of x at f minus g of x. So, yung una, addition. Yung pangalawa ay subtraction. So, unahin natin yung A, which is addition. So, we have, sabi dito, hanapin natin yung f plus g of x. Okay. So, lagi niyo tandaan na ang f plus g of x ay equal lang din kay f of x plus g of x. Okay, so ganun lang din yung gagawin natin. So, ina-add lang natin. So, paano yung gagawin? After writing it as f of x plus g of x, i-substitute natin yung value ni f of x at ni g of x. So, ano ba yung value ni f of x? We have 3x minus 5. So, ako nilalagyan ko ng open and close parenthesis para hindi ako malito when I'm substituting values. And then, ano naman yung value ng ating g of x? 4x plus 6. Then afterwards, i-remove natin yung mga parentheses ng ating given na mga functions. So, since plus to, wala tayong babaguhin sa symbol nung nandito. Okay? So, if it is positive 4x pa din yan. Kung ito ay positive 6, positive 6. So, lagay lang natin 3x minus 5 as is yung symbol plus 4x plus 6. Then afterwards, simplify pa natin further. So, i-add natin yung mga pwedeng i-add at i-subtract. So, una ay 3x plus 4x. So, pwede sila. So, we have 3x plus 4x is 7x. Pangalawa naman ay negative 5 at 6. So, pwede rin natin silang i-evaluate. So, negative 5 plus 6 is positive 1. Ayan. So, yun na yung sum nung functions, yung dalawang functions natin. How about sa letter B? We have, ayan, so we have f minus g of x. So sabi natin kanina sa addition, ang f plus g of x is simply equal to f of x plus g of x. That means sa subtraction, it will also be equal to what? F of x minus g of x. After doing that, substitute natin yung value. So, ang value ni f of x ay 3x minus 5 minus, si g of x naman ay 4x plus 6. Then afterwards, alis natin yung mga parentheses. So, we have 3x minus 5. Since minus yung nakalagay dito, papalitan natin yung symbol. It will become negative. So, instead of positive 4x, it will become negative 4x. Instead of positive 6, it will become negative 6. So, after that, isimplify pa natin siya further. So, 3x minus 4x is negative x. Negative 5 minus 6 is negative 11. So, eto na yung subtraction ng dalawang functions. Okay, so magkaroon tayo ng another example. Sa example naman na to, ang functions natin ay 2x, f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 1. H of x is equal to 10x minus 13. So, ang gagawin natin, we have to find, sa una, again, f plus h of x. Sa pangalawa naman ay f minus h of x. Okay, so, paano natin yan isa-solve? So, unahin muna natin yung letter A, which is f plus h of x. So, it is also equal to f of x plus h Sorry. H of x. Ayan. So, substitute lang natin yung f of x natin, which is 2x squared plus 1. Multiply natin kay h of x, which is 10. Add natin kay h of x, which is 10x minus 13. So, alis natin yung parenthesis. So, we have 2x squared plus 1 plus 10x minus 13. And then, simplify natin further. So, 2x squared, wala naman tayong pwedeng i-add sa kanya. So, as is siya. Yung 10x, wala din tayong pwedeng i-add sa kanya. So, plus 10x. 1 minus 13 is negative 12. So, ito yung na natin i-underline. Ayan. So, we have 2x squared plus 10x minus 12. How about yung letter B? Paano naman natin evaluate? So, we have f minus h of x, which is equal to f of x minus h of x. Substitute lang natin yung values. So, we have 2x squared plus 1 minus yung h of x naman ay 10x minus 13. Then afterwards, remove lang yung parenthesis. So we have 2x squared plus 1. So since minus to, palitan natin yung symbol niya. So yung 10x magiging minus 10x. Yung minus 13 magiging plus 13. Then afterwards, simplify natin further. So we have 2x squared. So wala naman siyang kamuka. So hindi natin siya pwedeng, as is na lang natin siya isusulat. Minus 10x. Wala rin siyang kamuka. Yung 1 at 13, parehas lang silang numerical coefficient. So 1 plus 13 is positive 4. Ayan, so that concludes yung part 1 ng ating addition and subtraction ng operations on functions. Okay, good day and God bless.